Microsoft founder Bill Gates has congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the launch of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. This digital health infrastructure will help ensure equitability, accessible healthcare delivery, and accelerate progress on India's health goals, he added. Under the mission, every Indian will get a unique 14-digit health ID card containing all their health records. A day after Navjot Singh Sidhu announced that he is resigning as Punjab Congress President, Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Chani has said, "I've spoken to him on phone and told him, let's sit down, talk it out and resolve the issue. Whoever is party president is head of the family. I told him that the party is supreme," Chief Minister Chani said. The Assam government will acquire the assets of the two closed mills of Hindustan Paper Corporation and provide a relief package of Rs 570 crore to its employees. Finally reached an agreement to resolve long-pending issues of their salaries and dues. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted, "The relief amount will be given to employees only after they vacate the properties." The Central Industrial Security Force CISF seized 4 packets of gold paste weighing over 900 grams and valued at Rs 42 lakh from a passenger at the Imphal airport. A CISF personnel reportedly noticed the presence of metal inside Mohammad Sharif's rectal cavity while frisking. Officials took him for an X-ray which revealed he had concealed gold packets inside. Fumio Kishida will become Japan's next prime minister as he won the ruling party leadership election in a runoff vote. The former foreign minister defeated former defense and foreign minister Taro Kono in a second-round runoff vote. 2 female contenders, Sanae Takaichi and Seiko Noda, dropped out after the first round. A gay Afghan man in an interview spoke about living in fear under the Taliban regime. "When they know about you, they definitely know that you've been involved in certain acts and you identify yourself as a certain person, in this case a gay," he said. "They will throw you out from a tall building. That's their law," he stated. Filipino boxing legend Manny Pacquiao has announced his retirement from the sport to focus on his political career. The multi-division world champion, who is a senator in his native Philippines, has already announced his intention to run for president in the country's 2022 elections. He retires with a record of 62 wins, 8 defeats and 2 draws.